In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a personalization box on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to enhance the shopping experience for your customers and make your products more appealing by providing customizable options. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to your Shopify admin page, which is where all your store management happens. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your store dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. This is your main navigation tool. From this menu, click on Products. This will take you to a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Let's work with a specific product for this example. We'll choose Example Shirt 2, though you can select any product you wish to personalize. Click on the product name, and this will open the product details page where you can see all its attributes and options. Now, we want to enable the personalization feature by adding options like size or color. Look for the option that says Add options like size or color and click on it. This is where you'll be able to specify the different customizations that customers can choose from when purchasing this product. Let's start with customizing the size. Click in the text box and type "Tinimimao." This will be the label for this particular option. Having options labeled clearly like this helps your customers make informed choices and improves their shopping experience significantly. Next, under size, type in medium. Of course, you can add more sizes if your product has them. For this demonstration, we'll keep it simple with just one. Adding these options gives your customers the ability to select exactly what they're looking for, making your store more appealing and enhancing customer satisfaction. Once you've entered the necessary customizations, look towards the bottom of this configuration panel. You'll find a Done button. Clicking this will save your personalization options and keep your Shopify store looking neat and organized. And there you have it. You've successfully added a personalization box to your Shopify product page. This will now allow your customers to personalize their purchases directly on the product page, which can help increase sales conversions by providing a customized shopping experience. Remember, adding these personal touches to your store can make a world of difference. Customers love feeling that their purchases are customized for them, and this feature is an excellent way to provide that personalization. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel confident adding personalization boxes to all your key products on Shopify. Happy selling, and here's to your success with personalized shopping experiences.